speech before our assembly video. Please stand for the school conference.
E te oriki, Manakia Watu, Mia Watu Whanu, Mō te Reira. I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning and on life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
Standing for the national anthem.
To call on Whai Steph to address the school.
Kia ora tamariki mā. Welcome to the last week of term 2. It's been a long term, 12 weeks, plus our lockdown learning as well. So be kind to yourselves. You're probably tired. I know I'm getting tired and looking forward to the break next week. So yes, be kind to each other and to your teachers, please. And enjoy the last week of term. Only 4 days, as school is closed on Friday for a teacher-only day. A few reminders then in the newsletter. Just a reminder to your parents that at the beginning of this term we asked them not to come on site to drop you off, but leave you at the front gate, and we're still encouraging that, because what we've seen is a great increase in your confidence and independence, and that's what we do want, particularly our 5-year-olds who are starting school. But we also want your parents to drop in from time to time as well, so that they can catch up with the teacher. That's also important. So yeah, don't let them know that they're most welcome to come into school, but that we're also encouraging you to be independent. I'm not sure when the automated gate will start, but no doubt there'll be some teething issues at the beginning. But if you can just remind your parents as well, it's just to keep you safe. Make sure you're not getting hurt by cars down at that front gate. So if they can park somewhere else and walk in and walk you in over the zebra crossing, that would be much appreciated. But otherwise they can call the office to open the gate. Parent conferences are tomorrow on Tuesday for some of the classes, but for everybody except for room 5 on Wednesday. Please make sure your parents have booked and whether your teacher can offer a Zoom version if they're not able to come to school. But if they don't have a conference this week, we will have to follow up with them after the holidays. Let's see if we can get 100% this term. It's important for your parents to know about your learning goals and what you have achieved so far this year. Also, if you have got a younger brother or sister who is at home, they're only 4 years old, but they will be turning 5 very soon. Please remind your parents to enrol them now this week so that they can be welcomed at our pōwhiri on Monday the 20th of July. 4-year-olds at home who are about to turn 5 in July, August, maybe a bit of September. please ask your parents to enrol them this week. Year 7 and 8, you guys know that you're off to camp in August, so you were supposed to go in April, but we've rebooked that for August. It's $100 per child, and it is the only cost really that whānau are asked for this year. But if you know that's going to be a bit of a challenge for your whānau, please let us know, because we can do something to help. We want all kids going to camp, all year 7 and 8s going to camp this August. Year 5 and 6s, you were going to have a sleepover somewhere, but that has had to change. So your teachers have organised for you to go to Ambury Farm Park in July, the second week of next term. There'll be no cost for this, but you'll have a day out there doing archery, some cooking activities, all sorts of different things. So look out for the letter for that, and make sure you get your permission back as soon as you can. Lots of student congratulations, and here are a few. The netball started in the weekend, and I understand all 3 teams managed to get through their rounds and had a great time between rain showers. So congratulations to you, the netballers, and to your coaches and your managers and your whānau support. I look forward to seeing one of your games in the not so distant future. Hopefully at the end of this assembly we will have 3 of our boys performing a rap. There'll be a video of that, and that will go out on our YouTube channel soon. I was really impressed with their confidence and their choice of topic. Just awesome. Well done, boys. One of our students in room 16, I've put a video up of her making muffins at home, or the process that she used, and her teacher and her mum's comments. So that is also on our YouTube channel. We will already have newsletters out for the holiday program, the maths holiday program. You must book, and there are limited numbers, so you may miss out if you don't get in quickly. It is in the second week of the holidays in the morning, but you must have permission to attend, and you must be able to go straight home afterwards. So again, putting your safety first, but actually it's going to be awesome fun, and I understand it is for all ages. So if you're interested in improving your maths and having some fun doing maths in the second week, please find the newsletter and get it returned to school this week. Don't miss out. Usually this is the week that we have our matariki hāngi, but we've got so much going on that we thought we might not make it to the end of the term safely if we did. So Barney has agreed to help us the first day back next term. So we'll do the preparation of the vegetables in the afternoon, and we need whānau help to get all the packages, all the baskets organised on that Monday, and then it will go down that Tuesday morning, ready for our hāngi lunch on Tuesday the 21st of July. Now at this stage we may have an organisation contributing the kai for us, but I will let you and your whānau know. Otherwise, just bring the one vegetable on the first day of term. We're getting a lot of whānau coming to the office towards the end of the day, asking for their children to be taken home early. Talk to your whānau, unless it's an emergency or you've got an appointment you need to get to. Please can we stop doing this? Our school day is 9 till 3, and we need everybody to be in class by 9 and only leave class when the bell goes at 3 o'clock. And finally, in last week's newsletter, we talked about reviewing our tuck shop menu. I haven't really heard from anybody if they're interested in being part of the group to do that. So if that is you, please let your teacher know, and they can let me know. We might be able to have a hui this week about that. Okay, whānau, have a great last week of term. Remember, last day is Thursday, the 2nd of July at 3 o'clock. The teachers have a teacher-only day on the Friday, so please do not come to school on Friday. Have early nights this week so you can get through. Be kind. Have fun. Ka kite.
Hi, Steph, for addressing the school notices.
Step together, respect one another, love on the heart, there's a good way to start. Friendship. Step together, respect one another, love from the heart, there's a good way to start. Friendship.
Stick together, respect one another. Love from the heart is a good way to start. Friendship. Stick together, respect one another. Love from the heart is a good way to start. Friendship. Hey yo, my homies are the greatest. Never switch up, never switch up. Come on, so far as I can never love a person till the day I die. And they wanna hook up good, the realest that they know the things that is contract. Never fold you, forever stand down for the homie. This is what we flat jack till J step up. Stick together, respect one another. Love from the heart is a good way to start. Friendship. Stick together, respect one another. Love from the heart is a good way to start. Friendship. Give and take your blessing by the side. Take the left to the right. When you jump to the right, give and take the goal. I am your friend to them. Why you real friend? Got your back, never let you go. So when I was in my house, and next year I put you down and drop off. We never ever see each other again. I'm sorry, you will always be my BFF, best friend forever. And life you won't forget till the day I die. Thank you for listening.
Waiti, waita, waipunarangi.
Waiti, waita, waipunarangi.
Tupua nuku, tupua rangi.
Tupua nuku, tupua rangi.
Ko ururangi me pohu tukawa.
Ko ururangi me pohu tukawa.
Hiwa i te rangi te potiki.
Hiwa i te rangi te potiki.
Ane.
Ane.
Ngā whetū.
Ngā whetū.
O matariki.
O matariki.